In this class, we will have an introduction to the loops structures. So far, in our previous classes, we have discussed the first half of our section 4, where we have discussed the concepts of selection statements. Now, what is the use of selection statements? By using the concepts of selection statements, a program will get the ability to make decisions from the multiple options that are available. Now, from this class, we are going into the second half of our section 4, where we are going to deal with the concepts of loop structures. Now, what is the use of these loop structures? The use of loop structures is to avoid duplicate work. So what does that mean is, whenever a certain piece of work is done multiple times continuously, then in our programming languages, we have a feature called loops. By using those loops, we can avoid that continuous duplicate work, continuous repetitive work by using the concepts of loop structures. So we'll try to understand this concept by using an example. A simple example I have taken. Now in this example, what are these 5 printfs are doing? So these 5 printfs are printing the numbers from 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 print in these 5. The job done by these printfs is to print the numbers, the decimal numbers from 1 to 5. Now this is what we call it as a repetitive work, right? So in order to print the decimal numbers from 1 to 5, we have to write 5 printfs. What if we need to print first 100 integers? So then we have to print all the numbers from how many statements do we need? So we need 100 printf statements. So this is what we call it as a repetitive work, and this repetitive work can be avoided in a programming language by using the concepts of loop structures. So there are 3 different loop statements available in any programming language. You take any programming language, every programming language will have these loop statements. So what are those loop statements? It is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So these are the 3 loop statements that are available in any programming language to avoid duplicate code or repetitive code in your program. So in this class, we just had an introduction to the concepts of loop structures. We will practically experience every loop statement in detail from our later coming classes. In the next class, we immediately start with the concept of for loop. So that's it for this video. See you in the next class.